Visit Ghana's oldest mosque, the 10 best things to do in Ghana. Wikimedia Commons, CC by SA 3.0. One of Ghana's most treasured spiritual sites, Larabanga Mosque is the oldest in the country, located just outside Mole National Park. It's one of 8 mosques in the country built from packed earth and horizontal timbers, complete with towers and buttresses. In 2002, it was included in the World Monuments Watch after falling into a state of disrepair, which then allowed for conservation efforts to repair rotting wood and replace broken cement with mud-based plaster. This pilgrimage site, used by Ghana's Muslim population, still operates as a center of worship. To visit, contact Ibrahim, who works at the local orphanage in Mole, for specifics. Note that non-Muslims are not welcome to enter the mosque, but can still view its exterior.